With this powerful metabolic reset system, featuring Lepti Trim 6 Daytime, Lepti Trim 6 Nighttime Sculpt, and Metabo Liver 6. Your 7-day reset is rooted in the same foundational wellness science behind Anovite's flagship Colostrum 6 formula. These targeted products work together to support metabolism, digestion, and natural balance, helping you feel lighter, clearer, and more in control. Lepti Trim 6 Daytime Conquer Cravings supports energy, appetite control, and metabolic activation from morning through midday. Metabo Liver 6 Purify the liver supports detoxification, digestion, bloating reduction, and overall metabolic efficiency. Lepti Trim 6 Nighttime Sculpt optimize weight loss, supports nighttime recovery, relaxation, and overnight metabolic processes. It's time to power up, reset, thrive. Ready to learn more? Visit shapeupforlife.com to find out how you can get this powerful 7-day sample box today.